Good evening, everyone. I'm AJ Walker with your Fox 47 weather. In our weather headlines, below normal temperatures throughout next week, multiple days of showers, and then some drier and slightly warmer conditions for next weekend. Here's how things are tracking us for tomorrow on our Futurecast. Here's a look at 7 a.m. You're starting out on the cloudy side of things as you head out the door, and it's probably going to feel really gloomy, but not to worry. Here we get to 11 a.m. We start to see it clearing. We're seeing the sun beaming through now. And then here's a look at 2 p.m. Tons and tons of sunshine. So it's going to be a beautiful day, but it is going to be a little bit chillier. I'll get to temperatures in a second because first I have to talk about Tuesday. So we have an upper low moving through on Tuesday, starting Tuesday, moving in from the west. So here's a look at 2 p.m. So before we get to 2 p.m., cloudy conditions, then in comes the rain for some neighborhoods like Charlotte, Albion, Jackson as well. We get to 6 p.m. Some neighborhoods here, right here in the middle here, like Lansing, Mason, Stockbridge, still dry at that time. And we're seeing Ionia getting some showers in our neighborhoods to the south. And then as we get into the later hours, here's 11 p.m. on Tuesday. Now we're starting to see the showers impacting more of our neighborhoods, becoming heavier in some neighborhoods as well. And then overnight into Wednesday, well, they continue to just continue to come down. And then as you're heading out the door for 7 a.m. on Wednesday, some showers in the Lansing area. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, still looking at some showers in the Lansing area. So yeah, as our 5-day chance of precipitation, here's what we're looking at. Monday, you're good to go. But then here's Tuesday, Wednesday, we're looking at some showers. And I think we'll continue to keep an eye on our models because the track could change. Tuesday and Wednesday are still a bit far out. But yeah, just get ready to have the umbrella though. Thursday, Friday, we are still going to be seeing some showers popping up, but they'll be scattered in nature, but you'll still be needing that umbrella again. But nice and dry for tonight. Mostly cloudy conditions, an overnight low of 47 degrees. Tomorrow, a high of 62. We've got those clearing skies. Even though we start out cloudy, we get that sunshine going. And so for your what to wear forecast, I put some longer sleeve shirts back on these racks. I had t-shirts, but hey, we're starting out with actual temperatures in the 40s as you're heading out, upper 40s if you're heading out very early for tomorrow. So it's going to be a little bit nippy until we get to that 62 degrees for our high. Now, the temperatures are going to be below normal. Our normal for this time of year is about 70 degrees. So we're going to be below normal all week long. We've got this upper low. We've got winds coming out of the north, giving us that cold air. And then we've got showers too. So it's not going to feel too great. Thursday, Friday, like I said, not as rainy. And then by the weekend, things start to rebound a little bit. I like to see we get back into the 60s and we're getting back to the sunshine as well. So that's going to do it right now for your Fox 47 weather. I'll let you get back to our news.